Welcome! Today we're going to make a quick card using the Bird's Eye View and Quiet Meadow stamp set, along with pecan pie and memento ink. So we'll start with a card front that is 5.5 by 4.25. Fold that in half. I also have pecan pie DSP from the Glorious Gingham paper pack. So I'll choose a side and adhere that down on the card. And then we'll use a strip, the opposite side, and adhere that alongside. Then I have a 2.5 inch circle punch. Take this cute little bird from our stamp set, ink him with memento ink, then I'll give him some glasses so he can see with the pecan pie ink, and also our sentiment, thinking of you, right here at the bottom. I'll adhere this using some dimensionals so it pops up a bit. And you could use ribbon or some gems to add some bling to this card, but I'm just keeping it nice and simple. And there you go, and that's the pecan pie. I also made it in blueberry bushel and lemon lime twist. And that's a wrap.